Yay, he's back. I know, my videos are very few lately, if any. Today, I'm going to be replacing my Walbro 450 fuel pumps. I have 2 in the tank. This is a custom setup. Oh, you could buy these kits now for this car. So it might not pertain to most of you, but hey, it's still a video that I'm putting out, right? Hopefully you guys will still enjoy it, even if it doesn't pertain to you guys. Now, replacing these pumps is fairly straightforward and fairly easy compared to OEM setup. You don't have to have the funky tool. You don't have to have the funky tool. You could, I would throw it, but I might hit my car. Don't want to do that. But it does help having this tool to take the plastic blue or the plastic black cap off the top of the tank. It helps to have this. You could use a hammer and a wide blade screwdriver too, that works too. But we will be replacing these 450s. I had some weird issues going on with my fueling, so these pumps are, gosh, I would say 6, 7 years old, maybe a little less. But I had some weird fuel issues, and I'm like, you know, these sit in E85 all day long, and this car's been sitting a lot, so I'm just going to replace the pumps. And just FYI, TI Automotive is actually Walbro. We'll need some other things, wrenches and a screwdriver, but nothing major. This is pretty straightforward exchange. Let's get started. Hopefully you guys can see me. So first, go ahead and take, there's 3 Phillips screws. This is the setup. It's a dual pump. Pump 1, I've already have them labeled from a while ago. Pump 1, pump 2, and then this is return, and this is the electronics. So we'll just undo all this stuff. This cap comes off. Just remember, there might be some fuel pressure in here. Mine probably not so much because the car's been sitting. Go in order here. A little bit of fuel. Here's that tool. One thing you do have to watch out for when you pull this pump out is, or pumps out, is you don't get it caught on the level sensor, the fuel level sensor. Let's get some of this fuel in. Oh yeah, and you also want to start with a fairly empty tank. That helps. And it looks like I gotta take the level sender unit out, or not out, just disconnect it. Maybe. Alright, I'll meet you guys back on the workbench. Man, this stuff looks pretty grungy, doesn't it? Look at that. Might have to go clean all this stuff up first. See if I could just do this one. All right. Pumps are out. All right, guys, here's the old pump. Here's the new one. Now these connectors are totally different now. I'm gonna have to splice them or cut them. So that'll void the warranty, but what else am I supposed to do? I could hardwire it, but that's still gonna void the warranty. Or they make an adapter, which I do not have. There are slight differences between these two pumps. This is a 267 and this is a 274. This is a higher pressure. There's a like a not a blow off valve, but a valve that opens up later than this one as far as relieving pressure. This one relieves pressure earlier than this one when it's pumping. I think this one goes to 110 and this one goes to 90. A little bit of a difference. I'm probably doing this wrong, but so be it. I don't think those are going anywhere. Looks like a good connection. Hopefully. I would have just used butt connectors, but I didn't have any. All I had were these solder butt connectors. Gotta use what I have. I don't have new filters. I couldn't source these. I'm gonna have to work on looking for these. If you guys have part number for these, let me know so I could order some and I'll change them out. Since these pumps are so easy to take out, when I do my fuel filter, I'll replace these as well. I'm going to go ahead and mark where these were at, just to Now I'm going to make one slightly higher than the other for the filters. Otherwise, I don't think if you put them both at the exact same level, you're going to have a hard time getting the filters on. Let's go reinstall it. See, I have the sensor loose, and I'm just going to leave this, well, let's make sure it's not damaged first. I'm just going to leave this in the tank, and after I get the fuel pump in, I will plug that in where it's supposed to go. I know it's hard to see and to show you guys. It's just such a tight fit. There's not much I could do. The gasket's already installed right here. You have it installed first. You could put a little grease in here if you want. It worked for me last time when it was dry. There we go. Okay, the pump's in, rotated, correctly aligned from last time if you remember what it looked like. Now I'm going to go ahead and put the level sensor on. I'm going to go ahead and connect it first, like so. Sorry, there's not much to see. That actually might be in the way. I don't like how that's connected. Let's change it. We'll connect it on the back side. That way it doesn't get in the way of the arm. There we go. Pumps are in. Another flashlight. Alright guys, so next we just need to turn the car on and check for leaks.